Wrap the yarn around your index and middle fingers. This is back loops. This is front loops. Insert the hook through the front loop. Yarn over and pull out. Yarn over again and pull through loop on the hook. Now we crochet 6 single crochet through front loops only. Insert the stitch marker in first stitch. Second single crochet through front loops only. Third single crochet through front loops only. Fourth single crochet through front loops only. Fifth single crochet through front loops only. Sixth single crochet through front loops only. Turn over. Now we crochet 6 single crochet through back loops only. First single crochet through back loops only. Second single crochet through back loops only. Third single crochet through back loops only. Fourth single crochet through back loops only. Fifth single crochet through front loops only. Sixth single crochet through front loops only. Take off the stitch marker in the first stitch. Hook weave a slip stitches connection with the first stitch. Hook a turning chains. We begin to crochet the second loop. First, crochet a single crochet in the first stitch. Beginners need insert the stitch marker in the first and last stitch of every loop. Add 1 stitch to the second stitch. Hook a single crochet in the third stitch. Add 1 stitch to the fourth stitch. Then the second loop is crocheted according to the rule. 18 stitches after the third loop of crochet. Hook a turning chains. We begin to crochet the third loop. For third laps, we crochet single crochet for every stitch. Hooker turning chains, we begin to crochet the 4th loop. First, we crochet 4 single crochet. Crochet double crochet unfinished for 4 times and merge into one stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook. Yarn over and pull out. Yarn over again and pull through the 2 front loops on the hook. Yarn over, second insert the hook in same stitch. Yarn over and pull out. Yarn over again and pull through the 2 front loops on the hook. Yarn over the 3rd time, insert the hook in same stitch. Yarn over the 4th time, insert the hook in same stitch. At last, yarn over and pull through. We crochet remaining 13 single crochet. Hooker turning chains, we begin to crochet the 5th loop. For 5th laps, we crochet single crochet for every stitch. For 6 laps, we decrease 1 stitch every other stitch. First, crochet a single crochet in the 1st stitch. 2nd and 3rd stitch decrease into 1 stitch. Then follow the same method, we crochet remaining 5 group. Hooker turning chains, we begin to crochet the 7th loop. For 7th laps, we crochet single crochet for every stitch. Cut the yarn.